Here I have VERNEE Mix 2, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So firstly, you have to open Settings. Next you have to enter Fingerprint section, Fingerprint Manager. Then tap Continue. Then you have to select your backup lock screen method. It could be pattern, PIN, password. Let's select for example PIN. Next you have to select if you want to require PIN to start device. No thanks. Then you enter your PIN, confirm it. Next you have to select if you want to see notifications on the lock screen. You can see all notifications, you can hide sensitive content, or you can just don't show notifications at all. And what you have to do next is to find a fingerprint sensor, which is located here at the back of your device, and tap it with your finger several times, just like this, for it to remember your fingerprint. And that's it, fingerprint added. And now, for example, you can unlock your device with only your fingerprint. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.